Hi, it's Stephanie here. I'm here at Chadwick's and we have some new fabric that just came in. So let's unbox this together. Let's see what we've got here. This is Nature's Retreat from Robert Kaufman fabric. This one has some trees. There's some pine cones and pebbles. This wood grain. There's some outdoor with some deer on it. And another wood grain print. Very pretty. Let's see what's in this box. Get it open here. Oh, we've got some flannels. These are also from Robert Kaufman. So this pretty flannel. This pretty flannel. And a couple of solids. Tan. And some brown. Okay, that's what we got today. How fun is that? Okay, thanks for watching me unbox our new fabric.